Hi everyone, today we're going to review exponents. We're going to do one example together and then your homework will be to do the other example. First is expanded form, and our example is 3 squared. So that exponent of 2 means that we have to expand the 3 2 times. So then that becomes 3 times 3. And if you were to evaluate that on your calculator, well, 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 to the 4th power you're going to do for homework. So all these examples, this column, you'll be doing for homework. The second one, product of powers, 5 squared times 5 to the 4th. So when we have the same base and we're multiplying them, we're actually going to be adding the exponents. So our exponents here are 2 and 4. So I want to add 2 plus 4. And when you do 2 plus 4, you will get 6. So I keep the exponent, the base of 5, and the exponent now becomes 6. So 5 to the 6th power. And if you evaluate that on your calculator, you will get 15,625. So make sure that you're paying attention to the rules. For here at product powers, we had to keep the base and then add the exponents. 2 plus 4 gave us 6. Product of a power. So that's when we have one base. Here our base is 9. And we have 2 exponents, 2 and 3. So this is where we multiply our exponents. So I'm going to do 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 will give me 6. So again, just like with the 5 in the previous example, I want to keep the base. The base here was 9. And I want to make that exponent 6. So 9 to the 6th power. And if we put that in our calculator, it's 9 to the 6th power. Well, we'll get 531,441. Quotient of powers. So the rule for quotient is that we subtract our exponents and keep the base. So our exponents here are 4 and 2. I want to subtract them. 4 minus 2 will give me 2. So my new exponent is 2. And you want to keep that base of 4. So 4 to the 2nd power. Now if you were to expand 4 to the 2nd power, just like in the first example, that would be 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 equals 6. The zero exponent rule. So I remember the zero exponent rule, anything raised to the 0 power equals 1. So 7 to the 0 power equals 1. Probably our easiest rule to remember. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Negative exponent rule. So this was the last rule that we learned. The negative exponent rule means that I want to take the inverse, I want to flip it, make it a fraction in order to make it a positive exponent. So this 6 to the negative 2 power, we're going to make it a fraction and put that 6 to the negative 2 power in the denominator. So that becomes 6 to the 2nd power. And if we want to evaluate this further, we can do 6 squared in our calculator. 6 squared is the same thing as 6 times 6. And when you do that, you will get 1 over 36.